as women, it's important. It doesn't matter which industry you come from. It's very important that wherever you are, or when you come to these sessions like this, you build a strong network. So by coming to Indaba, it's important for you to come out of this session knowing that you've built a strong network, how many people you've met, and what does it mean to you.
Within the tourism sector, we talk about the fact that there is a high number of women involved in this sector, both in the front and back seats, and also as the key service providers. This tourism sector is a sector where women can express their natural gifting of hospitality as homekeepers. And they are the ones who are doing the basic and the core activities and services in the sector. But we always complain about the fact that these women are stuck at the lower levels, at the lower positions. So what we need to do by this dialogue and others is to ensure that we can facilitate and support mechanisms that can oil the growth path for women